Tiny Kit Monday, friends. So I wanted to show you the 3 layouts I made and then what I have left in my kit. It's not killed, but it is so nicely dented, which is great considering so much is older stash. So this was my first layout, and let's see, it's my layout 1. I used a PageMaker sketch with it, and I used labels on it from Rediscover Your Stash prompt, as well as hearts, and there's process videos for these. So it's just my 2 boys with their pumpkin spice bones, as it says here. Oh, and these die cuts, these are Creative Memories, late 90s. Yikes. All right, next. Oh, I've got to get some tape on the back. I'll do that while I talk to you. So I have one more kit's worth of layouts to do from Janet's parameters, and I don't know if they're going to get done this month, but I'm not going to deconstruct that kit until I get that done. Okay, so here's my layout number 2, just fun stuff. 2 teammates getting ready to go for a hike in Colorado in the mountains. There's a process video for this. I love these little enamel bits and these little rubber shapes. Cute stuff, and I use bits and pieces from so many collections. And then lastly, this is for Goodison Cider Mill, rather simple but cute, using pieces from a bazillion different collections again. I have these little, these 2 pieces were on Brad's, but I went to take this little orange leaf piece off. Went to take the Brad off and it popped right off, so I'm like, okay, when in Rome, I popped the other one off, stuck them on, and that is great. So those were my 3 layouts I did, and I really like them, and they're nice warm colors and all that kind of stuff. And yikes, I almost fell. Now as for my kit, let's see what we have. This is the last paper page kit that I have to work through. I've got very, very little of these stickers left right here. This was a brand new sticker sheet, and I did use these little, what do you call it? These little block letters for tile letters for a couple of different layouts, but I did get a nice little bit of traction on those stickers, and we're still in fall here, so we'll see how that goes. Used a few pieces from here as well, but it's not killed off. So chipboard, used a bunch from this one, a ton from this one. I only used a little bit from this Pink Fresh. I thought I would use more, but I ended up not bringing in this purple tone. All right, so from my papers, and now I did, use up all of this stuff that I had set aside for my kits, and these were just extra pieces I had in that I could use. So, and I did use a bunch from my just fall paper lines, so I feel pretty good about that. I only used 1 clip. I'm not wild about these large clips, so I didn't expect to get that far. Didn't use any of these cheeky studio pieces at all. See, these would go so much better with like these purple tones. So these go together, and I didn't use either. See all those nice little purpley bluey tones? Did not touch these vellum little leaves. I have time. Didn't use this or my rub-on, which I'd like to, or my little hand-me-down piece here. I have 1 little rubber charm, but this is probably going to go into my color drawers when I put them away because it doesn't say anything about fall, so I can use it with anything. What's this? Oh, a little chipboard piece and 1 little wood veneer apple left. I've got these pebble words, and I did use quite a few there and a couple that are in the orange sheet. They're so cute, and they repeat the words on each sheet. Now, I used, I think, 4 of these super old school die cuts. Now, I could still try to see if I can get those in for a Thanksgiving layout. We haven't had Thanksgiving yet. This was a piece from a sticker sheet I didn't use. 2 little apple pieces. Ooh, I wonder if I should tuck those little apple pieces in my layout about Goodison Cider Mill. Did not use any of these. I used a ton of the large brads. I used them fully up, and I used a lot of the chipboard pieces. Now the funny thing is with these, I keep not reaching for them because these brad colors are like warm colors, and the metal on them is silver, and I don't dig that. I wish they were in gold. I have just one little epoxy apple left. So where's those apples I just found? I'm gonna see if I can sneak those in onto that cider mill layout. And then let's see what else. And then lastly, I only used a couple little hearts and maybe like a little arrow piece from this Pink Fresh puffy stickers. And these were from one of the sticker sheets as well. And that's it. So as things go, I feel like I did okay. I'm gonna grab that layout with my Killa kit as things go. And like I said, I'm going to keep it together just to see if I can get that other layout done at some point. Something else might inspire me. Okay, I can stick that right there with the epoxy pieces. So that one can be killed. I'm going to see if something else can inspire me or another fall event. The funny thing is, in our region, we have not yet had, these are like creative memories from 1,000 years ago too. We haven't had a change of the leaf color for the most part yet or anything. So we haven't done much for fall time activities. It's very odd. So, and you know, we've been busy. There's sports and all that kind of stuff too. Where can I get these cute little apple pieces? I do like them. You know, I'm going to put them right there as part of this little block. Okay, that's it, my friends, for this one. Now, I have a fun little idea up my sleeve for next month. I'm really excited about it. So stay tuned because I'm going to get it typed up and have it ready to go for the 1st so you can create your kit based on my fun little idea. Okay, that's it today, friends. We'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.